Hello everyone, welcome to Shop Dev channel. Today we'll be having a look at the C# is operator. Well, it is a commonly used operator, but there are some important points that we need to consider when using this operator. So let's dive deep. Okay, so first of all, well, many a times we have been developers are faced with a scenario where they need to safely convert an object to a target instance. Okay, but if there's no relationship between these two objects, or they cannot be converted, an exception is thrown. So one way of avoiding such exceptions is by making use of the is operator. Okay, so by introduction, the is operator is used to check if the runtime type of an object is equivalent to the targeted type. Okay, so the is operator returns true if an object is of a particular targeted type, otherwise it returns false. One very important point to consider is, even though if an object is of a particular targeted type, but it is null, then the is operator returns false. So it's very important to note this part. Okay, and fourthly, the is operator can also be used to check whether an object is derived from a base type. Okay, so next step, we'll have a look at the syntax, which is simple. You just need to check with the object you want to check using the is operator and the targeted type. So in the benefit of time, I have already prepared a demo. So we can consider three classes. First, a living thing class. Second, we have a person class that inherits from the living thing. And we have an employee class that has no relationship with the person and living thing class. Okay, now we have four scenarios to check as per the 4 points of it that I've mentioned in the introduction. Okay, so first of all, I have a living thing object that is initialized to null. So when I checked the living thing object is of type living thing, yes, it is of this type, but it is null. So logically, this operator should return false. Okay. Scenario 2. The living thing has been initialized, so it is not null. So the check of the is operator should return true. Thirdly, I'm comparing the living thing object with an incompatible targeted object, employee. So employee has no relationship with living thing, so should be returning false. And fourthly, a person is a derived type of the living thing class, since it inherits from the living thing class. So this operation should return true. Okay, so let's confirm by running this program. So I'll first check. So living thing should be returning false. So the object is null, so it should return false, even though it is of the right type. Okay. Second, we have initialized the living thing object, so this should be returning true. So we check in our console, so it returns us true. And this third one, we are checking incompatible types. So living thing object compared to an employee class. Okay, so this returns us false. And finally, we're checking a person instance against its base type living thing, so it should be returning true. So that's it, guys. So we proved our 4 concepts that we spoke in the introduction section, and just the key points to remember about the is operator: that it checks the runtime type of an object. It returns true if an object is of a particular targeted type, false if the object is of a targeted type but it has the value of null, true if object is not null and is derived from a base type. So that's it, guys. So if you like the video, please subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. Bye.